Welcome students. Today class we are going to see some important formula will be used in unit 1, that is fundamentals of fiber optical cable. In unit 1 we are seeing critical angle, that is pi c. The formula for critical angle pi c is sine inverse of n2 by n1. Second important parameter is numerical aperture. Light collecting ability of the fiber optical cable is called as a numerical aperture. So the numerical aperture sine theta A is equal to square root of n1 squared minus n2 squared. And otherwise, the numerical aperture otherwise defined as n1 into square root of 2 till. Third one is acceptance angle. The acceptance angle theta A is equal to sine inverse of square root of n1 squared minus n2 squared. Students, today class we are going to see some of the problems related to critical angle, numerical aperture and acceptance angle. So this is first example problem. Consider multimode fiber optical cable that has core refractive index of 1.480 and core and cladding index difference is 2%, that is del value is equal to 2%. Find the numerical aperture. So first you should write given data, that is n1 is equal to 1.480 and del is equal to 2%. So here the numerical aperture, so already we have discussed the numerical aperture. There are the two formula will be used. One is square root of n1 square minus n2 square. Second formula is n1 into square root of 2 till. So based on the given parameter, we are going to use numerical aperture. NA is equal to n1 into square root of 2 till. So n1 is given, del is given, just you can substitute into the formula, that is numerical aperture is equal to 1.480 into square root of 2 into 0.02. So that numerical aperture value is equal to 0.296. So you can convert into percentage. That means 29.6 percentage. Numerical aperture value is equal to 29.6 percentage. That means the light collecting ability of the fiber optical cable for the given parameter, the light collecting ability value is only 29.6 percentage. So the LED will be emitting light signal. In that emitted light signal, the fiber optical cable will collect only 30% of the light signal from the emitted signal. So that is the conclusion. Second problem is calculate numerical aperture for a step index fiber having N1. N1 means core refractive index. N1 is equal to 1.48 and N2 cladding refractive index N2 is equal to 1.46. What is the acceptance angle theta A for this fiber if outer medium is air with n is equal to 1? So here we are going to calculate acceptance angle theta A. So before calculating theta A, first we are going to calculate numerical aperture. So from that numerical aperture, we are going to calculate acceptance angle theta A. So first write the given data. N1 is equal to 1.48 and N2 is equal to 1.46. So first you can write numerical aperture formula. Numerical aperture Na is equal to square root of n1 square minus n2 square. Substitute the value. So the numerical aperture value is equal to 0.242. Okay. From this numerical aperture value, we can understand that only 24% of the light signal is collected by the fiber optical cable. So next we are going to calculate acceptance angle theta A. So acceptance angle theta A is equal to sine inverse of numerical aperture. So sine inverse of 0.242, that is equal to 14 degree. So the acceptance angle, so in 14 degree only the light signal B is accepted by the fiber optical cable. Okay, so the acceptance angle for the fiber optical cable is 14 degree. Third problem, calculate the critical angle and a numerical aperture for an optical fiber with n1 is equal to 1.55 and n2 is equal to 1.52. So the critical angle pi c is equal to sine inverse of n2 by n1. So the critical angle is 78.70 degree. Next one is numerical aperture. So numerical aperture NA is equal to square root of n1 square minus n2 square. So the numerical aperture value is 0.3. That means 30% of the light signal is collected by the fiber optical cable. Next, fourth problem. An optical fiber in air has an numerical aperture of 0.4. Compare the acceptance angle for the meridional ray with the skew ray, which change the direction by 100 degree at each reflection. So here we are going to calculate numerical aperture for meridional ray and skew ray. So first the numerical aperture value is 0.4. So we are going to compare acceptance angle for meridional ray and skew ray. So for each reflection, comma 2 comma is equal to 100 degree. For single reflection, comma is equal to 50 degree. So for meridional ray, the acceptance angle is equal to sine inverse of numerical aperture. So sine inverse of 0.4 is equal to 23.57 degree. For skew ray, the acceptance angle is equal to sine inverse of numerical aperture by cos gamma. So sine inverse of numerical aperture 0.4 divided by cos gamma, gamma is equal to 50 degree. We can get skew ray acceptance angle is equal to 38.48 degree. Students, that's all about the tutorial problem. So in unit 1, we can have three important parameter, that is critical angle, numerical aperture, and acceptance angle. Thank you.